What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to sell Amazon affiliate products on Pinterest. So what that means is that you can now list links for some products on Amazon, and when someone buys this product through your link, you get like a commission. So that's your profit. So you get a commission for each time someone like buys this item from your link, and you can do so on any social media platform like Pinterest, for example, Facebook, YouTube, or whatever. However, in this video, I'll focus on Pinterest. So let's get right to it. First of all, here, let's say I want to promote this Red Dragon gaming mouse. So what I want to do is first go to Amazon Associates program, that's affiliate-amazon-program.amazon.com, and I need to sign up to Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program to become a member. So here, what that means is that I can sign up first, then I can share my specific links for each product. I can recommend the product and then earn up to 10% commission once someone buys through my link. So first of all, I need to sign up to the affiliate program. And now here I can create an Amazon account, or I can sign in to my Amazon account here. So I'll just sign into my existing Amazon account. So the Amazon affiliate account is separate from the normal Amazon account that you can use to buy stuff from Amazon. However, in order to do so, I'll need to go ahead and sign into my account. So I'll go ahead and do so and then get back to you. Okay, so now it gets me to the creation of my Amazon Associates account page. Here I can view my information. So that's my basic information here, right here, for my Amazon.com account. And then once I confirm it or enter any missing information, I'll just go to the next step, to the website and mobile app list, so where I enter my website, my social media accounts, and so on, and then edit my profile and enter some basic information like my address, my phone number, etc. And then once I get approved, of course, I'm not supposed to start using it right away. I need to be approved first by them to join the Associates program. And once I do, and then sign into my Google account, I should see a new bar up top right here where it says I can copy a link by text, image, or text plus image. So that's basically the place where I can go to copy my associate link for this specific product. Now, the next step is to go to Pinterest. Here I have my Pinterest account. I'm on my Pinterest account. And now what I want to do is to create a new pin. So in the create here, create pin, I'll need to, let's say I want, as I told you, to promote this gaming mouse. First of all, I'll open this image and then right click here to download the image here. Okay, save as. And then upload the image here to as the pin itself. Let's say, okay. And the image is uploaded, and that's the pin cover. Now let's enter a title. So gaming mouse, gaming mouse. Okay, now enter some description, and I recommend to enter something catchy. So let's say, get this amazing Red Dragon gaming mouse for a limited time discount. Okay, and then you want to paste the link. Now this is not the link for the product itself on Amazon. If you paste this link, then your customer will simply be redirected to this specific product. However, what you want to do is to paste the link from the tab that will appear right here. Of course, I haven't yet subscribed to the affiliate program because it needs time to be like approved. And so it should appear here like something that says text plus image, or image. So if you click on text, it'll generate a link for you, and that link, that's the link you need to paste here. So for the sake of this video, I'll just paste the link for the product itself right here. And now you can choose a board to add this like product to, or this pin to. And here you can add tags, and you have more options right here. So allow people to comment, show similar products, and so on. So let's add tags, of course. Let's say gaming Okay, here we are. Game room, let's say game room. Okay, looking good. Once you publish this like pin, now when someone searches for or views similar pins like concerning games or mouse and stuff like that, your pin should appear, and once they click on it and open it and then open your affiliate link, and if they decide to purchase this mouse and they do so, you'll get a commission once they do purchase this mouse. Now, once you've successfully done so and promoted your product or this product on Pinterest, you can go back to Amazon and select a different product. So you can do so with unlimited number of products, so not only one. So let's say I want to also promote this keyboard, this Red Dragon keyboard. So open it, and this tab should appear. As I told you, it doesn't appear here because I haven't already been accepted to the affiliate program. However, you should see here a new tab that says text, or like image, text plus image. So when you click on text, you get a new link for this like keyboard separate from the mouse one. So you can go to Pinterest and create a new pin. So here we can click on create new and then like upload, or sorry, we forgot to download the image first. So let's select an image. Let's say like this one. So open it, then right click, save image as, and then okay, go back to Pinterest, upload this image. Okay, this one, open it, and then add a title. So like Red Dragon gaming keyboard. Okay, now let's add a description, then add a link. Also, for the sake of this video, I'll just paste the link of the product itself from Amazon. However, as I told you, you should paste your own generated like Amazon affiliate link. So let's paste the link right here, and then you can choose a board if you want to. Add tags, so like keyboard. Okay. You can add also RGB, for example, or like game room design, whatever. So you get the idea. So you can create as many pins as you want, promoting as many products as you want on Amazon. Now, if we go back here, you can see our like links or our like products. Also, all our products are right here. So you can go ahead and publish each of the like pins that you created. So that's how easy it is to promote your Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. And also, as I told you, when someone buys this product from your link, you get a commission. So that's a great way to earn like an extra income promoting Amazon product on your Pinterest.